thirsty. Whew, that would hit different now. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kesley. I just want to do a get ready with me / vlog. So it's the day before Valentine's Day and I'm so excited for tomorrow because me and my sister, we're gonna get cute and we're gonna go out to eat, and yeah, I'm just so excited. But I did my lashes, as you can see. I like to cut up my favorite pair of lashes. So basically cut up your favorite pair of lashes, or you could buy the individual. Just feel like cutting up your favorite lashes is more easier and it takes less time. I've been wearing lashes in a while. Like, oh my gosh, who is she? I don't even know. I feel so pretty. Now I'm about to nail my eyebrows. You need some nail, some Q-tips, a rag, a spoolie brush. Okay, so I did my lashes, I did my eyebrows. I feel good. Let's talk. Can we talk? Alright. So in honor of Valentine's Day, since it's tomorrow, I'm going to just talk about is it my love life? No. I'm just going to talk about some things that I learned when I was courting / dating. Let's just get into it. Okay, so for one, I just want to say that God loves you. I know that I didn't realize that until the outside influences was gone. Some things that I learned while courting, I had some highs and I had some lows. Spiritually, I was confused. I was building while covering. What I mean by that is that I was building a relationship with the guy. Let's call him, we're gonna call him Jay. Can you call him Jay? Nah. Okay, what should we call him? We're just gonna call him Guy. So I was building a relationship with him. Like, we were building a routine. We was texting, we was on the phone, we was going out every weekend. If we didn't go out a weekend, I just felt very like, what's up? Like, I miss you, for real. Like, why didn't we go out? No, he was very sweet. Like, he was a sweetheart. He literally set the bar high for anybody else that want to come in my life. Like, settle for what? Like, who finna settle? Not me. Like, he truly like treated me like a queen. This is your sign to not settle for anything less than you. Like, you are a queen, okay? Like, you are so powerful and you don't need men that's gonna come in and mess you up. Like, you just don't get it how powerful you are. Like, you do not need to be settling for anything less. Like, if the guy, he's not showing you no attention, he's not doing the bare minimum, like, leave. Like, it's so much easier said than done, granted, but it's so many good guys that's out there that'll wait for you, that'll treat you like a queen. You just gotta wait and stop searching and just be okay with you, yourself, and you. The power of waiting, it is so important. Like, I promise you, if you just wait, the right guy, he's gonna come to you. You're not gonna have to even do too much. Like, he's gonna love you for you. So don't settle for anything less. Okay, but that was a little rant. That kind of went off topic, but no, I just wanted to encourage you because you're that girl. Like, literally, you are that girl, and please, okay? Like, and that stage of my life when I was courting, I feel like I was trying to build while also cover. At that time in my life, I was confused, lost, sad. I was just angry at God. I was just on earth, just chilling, you feel me, going with the flow of life. I was just covering how I really felt, for real. I wasn't really digging deep within myself, addressing these internal problems and trying to overcome the problems that I was going through. I wasn't trying to do none of that. Everything, it was just in the back of my head. Every time I thought about it at night, I would just get sad. I just never addressed it. I was covering while building a relationship with him. I was like literally on cloud 9. Like, I love to get cute and then just go out on a date, you know, go out to eat, go to the beach. I love beaches. Like, I didn't want to be in a relationship at that time, and I know why. Looking back at that, I now know why. I was literally putting him before God, and spiritually, I had no business doing that. My God, like, He is the provider, he's the healer, he's the deliverer, he's freaking everything in one. What was I going to men, you feel me, to fill me up internally? Like, I feel like a lot of times we put anything as our God. if that makes sense. We put so many things as our idols and we just forget God. And God don't like that. Like, he want to be number one in your life, not number two, not number three, not number four. I feel like in that season of my life, spiritually it was a hot mess, but physically everything felt good. Like I said, I felt like I was on cloud 9. Like, he literally treated me like a queen. I really want that for you. I want you to experience being in a relationship with someone who truly loves you for you, and someone that doesn't want to just have sex with you. My overall lesson that I learned from that is that God is love. That's that's the lesson that I learned from that. God is love, and I can just run to him whenever I need something. I can talk to him. He understands me. He just fills me up with so much more happiness, and it's just a happiness and a love that no man can give you. And that's a lesson that I learned from that. Men, they will always fail you, but God's love is everlasting. So yeah, that's enough of my TED Talk. You feel me? I really hope that you learned something. If you really like understood what I was saying, just know that God loves you. Like, that's the overall lesson. I did my hair last night. I did flat twist, and then I turned it somehow into Benson knots. I do not know how it's going to turn out, okay? But I feel like it's going to be good. I don't know. So I'm going to see you tomorrow when I take down my hair. Hope you have a good day, and I hope you have a good Valentine's Day, okay? Okay. Bye. Bye.
I've been everywhere, man, looking for someone who can please me, love me all night long. I've been everywhere, man, looking for you, babe.
Mic check. Yo, as you can see, I'm back home, y'all, and I had the bonnet on today and the cap. Usually I do not wear my bonnet out in public anymore, so it's kind of like, what is he doing? But nah, I was not finna take down my hair because I need to, you know, show y'all how it actually looks when I take it down, because I don't know how this style finna turn out tomorrow. So wish me luck, but I fight it. I farted again. I have to definitely take a number 2. Whine with me, I guess.
Someone who can please me, love me all night long. I've been everywhere, man, looking for you, babe, searching for you, baby. Where have you been? 'Cause I never see you out. Are you hiding from me? Somewhere in the crowd.
So I hope you feel good today. I hope you put on a cute fit, do your makeup, do your hair, do some lashes, you feel me, do your nails, and treat yourself if you don't have a man. But if you do, I really hope y'all have a good time today. Take pictures, freaking just have fun. Like, this is a day of love, and I'm being ugly right now, but it's okay. It's okay, because we all be ugly sometimes. I be ugly most of the time, but it's okay. I really hope that it's not blurry, y'all. I need a camera. I'll feel like really official with a camera, but I'll get that later on our journey together. But yeah, like, freaking feel good today. Like, it's your day. Every day is your day, but make today especially your day. You feel me? Just do things that's different, whether that be going to McDonald's or going to Burger King as your dinner, whether that be going to the skating ring to skate with your grandma, you know, anything. Just do something today. Get out the house, for one. Don't be that person who just stay in bed all day because you sad. Like, it's not even that serious for real. This is how my hair is looking. Cute. The curls is cute. I want it to be more bigger now. I do want it to be more bigger, but I'm not gonna mess with it anymore because as the days go by, it's going to get bigger. So yeah, until then, I'm gonna just rock a little shrinkage today. Just a little shrinkage. The last time I washed my hair, it was probably like 2 weeks ago. Today's Friday. I hope you had a good week so far. I'm gonna post this video on Sunday. Hopefully I could post it on Sunday because editing, it just takes so long, especially like when I be talking too much. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you got something from this video. I love you, God loves you, and we will see you in our next video. I don't know what this snapping is like. I don't know, but we will see you in our next video, probably next week or the week after next week, girl. I am not sure, but yeah. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to like and comment down below that you stopped by. You feel me? Comment down below and subscribe if you want to. You don't have to, but if you want to, you can hit the subscribe button. And yeah, thanks for watching.